In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the time zone in Google Calendar. We'll go through each step, making sure everything is simple and easy to follow. So let's dive in. Start by opening your preferred web browser and heading over to the Google Calendar website. If you're unsure about the link, just type Google Calendar into your search engine and click on the first result. Once the page has loaded, you'll need to sign in if you aren't already. Enter your email address and hit Next. Then input your password and press Next again to proceed. Once you're logged into your Google Calendar, look for the settings icon at the top right corner of the page. It usually looks like a gear or cog. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu. From the list, select Settings. This will direct you to the settings page where you can customize various aspects of your calendar. Next, direct your attention to the left-hand sidebar. You'll want to find the time zone section. Under this section, you'll see your current primary time zone listed. Click on this to see a list of available time zones. You can scroll through or search for the one that matches your current location or preferred time zone. Once you've found and selected the desired time zone, give your selections a moment to update. You'll notice the interface adjusting to reflect your new settings. Finally, to return to your calendar's main page, click on the arrow at the upper left of your screen. If you're prompted with a question about saving or changing your new time zone settings, make sure to choose No, as there's no need to save changes that have already been applied automatically. This process allows you to have more accurate and relevant entries in your Google Calendar, especially useful if you're traveling or coordinating with people located in different time zones. By keeping your time zone settings up to date, you ensure that events and reminders align with your local time. That's all there is to it. You now know how to change the time zone in Google Calendar. It's a straightforward process, but if you ever find yourself needing to switch time zones again, just follow these same steps. I hope you found this guide helpful. Thank you for watching, and feel free to refer back here anytime. Have a great day, and happy calendaring!